Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 105th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use the external style sheet. Before starting program I will give you little information about external style sheet. An external style sheet is a separate file linked to an HTML and it comes with CSS file extension. So we'll start with HTML folder, HTML tag, red tag, now title, and now we'll end title tag equals to style sheet, type equals to text CSS equals to CSS style.css. Now we'll end head tag, body tag, h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag, p tag. Now we'll end p tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 105th with the extension .html and in all files. So now we have to make another file style.css. So we'll make it h1 tag, color equals to red, now p tag, font size 24 pixel, and now we'll just save it with the extension css and in all files. But we have to make here new folder. We will first make the new folder in HTML folder. And now we'll save the file here. With the extension CSS and in all files. And now let us check the output. Now we'll go to local disk D HTML folder and 105th program. So this is our clear and basic output. How to use external style sheet. And don't forget to check the text in description